चिखल, भक्ती आणि परंपरेचो एक जिवंत उत्सव म्हणजेच चिखलकालो. देवकी कृष्णा मंदिर मार्शेल या देवळात जावपी हो 2 दिसाचो उत्सव भगवान श्री कृष्णाचे खेळगड्याचे भोवमान करता. तेल लायिल्ल्यो कुडी चिखलाच्या आंगणात बुडटा. रस्साकशी, कुस्ती, दहीहंडी असले कित्येक खेळ खेळून ते कृष्णाचे भुरगेपण परतून जियेतात. घुमट आणि शामेळ हांची ताल हवेन भरता जाल्यार पवित्र अंजिराच्या झाडा वयल्यान पुरणपोळी आणि लाडवांचो पावस पडटा. पूण मजे भायर चिखलकालो एक शेतकार आणि मातये मदीं एक खेळायन बंधन मनयता. संगीत, जेवण आणि भक्ती हांचो आनंदाचो मेळ तो म्हटल्यार गोवान साजरो जावपी चिखलकालो.
Traditionally has been celebrated in this village of Marcel along with our temple committee. We have been last 3 years associated as Department of Tourism and the temple committee to scale it up in a manner that we are able to do a couple of things. One, this Chikhal Utsav, the celebration with the mud, is a thing which happens uniquely in Goa, and it is a unique temple of Devki Krishna in Goa. So it is very important for us to link ourselves to the mud, which our soul is already linked to the mud, and it is important that we come and link ourselves to the mud and play the game Lord Krishna did, which is a part of our traditional culture. Goa beyond beaches, regenerative tourism, and moving to the hinterland, Goa beyond beaches, has been a call for which we have been talking about promoting cultural tourism also. And in this cultural tourism, it is very important that we get the aspects of our heritage, culture, tradition, and get it alive and showcase to people what actually Goa is about. Goa is not only about sun, sand and sea, but we have much more to explore. So these are things which people come in a year-long calendar and enjoy Goa to the fullest. We are in monsoon. Monsoon tourism is promoted throughout the state of Goa. This year we are having great numbers as far as monsoon tourism is concerned, as far as Goa is concerned, because of the promotion along with the stakeholders that we have done. And today, here, last 3 years, along with the temple committee in the Lord Devki Krishna's temple, we are celebrating the Chikhal-Kalo, where all old traditional games, ancient games of our Goans are being played. This is what we talk about as Goa. This is what we talk about our culture, and it is very important to showcase it at the next level. Very importantly is all our people run to Spain to look at Tomatino, the tomato festival. We should be enlightened that there is something here. It is for the next generation also to learn and understand and take it and carry forward the legacy of what our elders have been doing and what they have been giving to the Devasthan. It is important that the next generation also carries it, and I am very happy the way it has been growing up year to year. First day we are having bhajan, evening with bhajans. Second day we are having the temple programs. And the third day is what we come here and celebrate Chikhal-Kalo. I convey my best wishes to our people who have come from the country and outside the country and to partake in this particular celebration. Year to year, as we grow in these celebrations, we will make it more inclusive, so the last person in the community gets benefit of this tourism.
So last year, this year, how is the response on the?
I think it has been growing year to year. It has been growing year to year and it's scaling year to year. We do not want to run the mill and get over-hyped on it. We are moving slowly. We need to be sustainable and move it in the right way so that we are making it inclusive for the society, for the culture, for the environment and from the ecology point of view. So we need to ensure that everything moves together.
Focus on the tourists, domestic and international.
I think Goa is having a year-long tourism happening, and this year in the monsoons also, it is. I'm happy to tell you that monsoon tourism, after meetings with stakeholders like the hotel industry, the airline industry, and the OTA platforms, with the help of the Chief Minister, we were able to move a lot of things. And I think the results are showing that hotels are showing good occupancy, in spite of the time we used to say that season may be slightly low. So I think the numbers have spoken. The industry is happy, and so are we to move it in the right manner. I think this year is going to be quite optimistic for us in terms of tourism and the new footfalls that we'll have in terms of international footfall. सगळ्यो गेमी हांगा आमी खेळटात. आज जाणटे नेणटे भुरगे ल्हान भुरगे सुद्दां येवन मातयेन खेळटात. शेवटी आमी सगळे जाण मातये कडेन एटॅच्ड आसात. हांव सदांच म्हणटा की आमकां भायल्या देशाचें कितें चल्लां तें बरें दिसता. सो स्पेनाक टोमाटान खेळटा टोमाटिनो आसले सगळे जाण धांवतात. पूण हांगा आमची जी संस्कृती आसा, जी देवकी कृष्णाचें देवूळ एकमेव देवूळ पूर्ण देशान आसा, आनी थंय जी एक संस्कृतीच्या मळार आमी चिखलोत्सव वर्सा वर्स गांवचे लोक येवन मनयतात, ते आज गांवचे लोक आज गांवच्या लोकां बरोबर समस्त गोंयकार येवन बरोबर रावन हो सगळे हाजो उत्सवाचो लाभ घेतात, आस्वाद घेतात आनी एक इन्क्लुजिविटी दिसता. गांवांत जेन्ना खंयचे पर्यटन क्षेत्रांतलें कितें आमी केलें तें लास्ट मंथ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रूप जावं महिला वर्ग जावं सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी खुबश्यो अश्यो मेळटा, जातूंतल्यान तांकां आपलें कितें तरी करपाक मेळटा आनी टुरिजम इन्क्लुजीव ही एक व्हेरी क्लियर मॅसेज वता. रुचिरी चंद्रेटी टुरिजमाचेर आमी उलयले, बाकीच्या हेचेर आमी अशें उलयता 3 वर्सां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर भर घाला. आज पूर्ण चिखलोत्सव हो आमचो आज जगभर प्रसिद्ध जाल्लो आसा. पूर्ण माशेल गांवच्यान गोंयाच्या जगभर, तातूंतल्यान देशाचे आनी जगाचे सगळे पर्यटक हांगा येता हाजो आस्वाद घेवपाक. आमकां खूब खोशी जाता की बऱ्या प्रमाणान देवस्थानची कमिटी ऑर्गनायज करता. तातूंत पयले दिसा आमी संगीत एक बरो कलाकार हाडून महेश काळे जावं ह्या वर्सा नवो आनी हाडिल्लो अशें आमी हाडून पयले त्या गांवाची सगळ्या एकठांय हाडटात. तांचे देवस्थानचे जे पारंपारीक उत्सव आसा तो साजरो जाता. आनी आज चिखलोत्सव म्हाका दिसता बऱ्या प्रमाणान वर्सा वर्स वाडत आसा. आनी एक कल्चरल टुरिजमाचो आमी विचार करता आसतना गोंयची खरी वळख कितें, आमी परशुराम भुमी म्हणटा आसतना गोंय कितें, हे पर्यटन खात्या तर्फे आमकां फुडें दाखोवपाची एक संदी मेळ्ळ्या. मुख्यमंत्र्याक हातूंतल्यान हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा की ताणें सदांच आमकां सपोर्ट दिल्लो आसा. आनी अशेंच वारंवार सगळे गोंयचे लोक एकठांय येवन साजरो करता आसतना एक बऱ्या विचारान आमी फुडें वतले अशें चिंतून ह्या चिखलोत्सवाची सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता आनी मागीर 2 सोंपयता.
सर गेल्या वर्सा तुमच्या वांगडा लोकल MLA गोविंद गावडे आशिल्लो आनी ह्या वर्सा ना, म्हणजे तुका कशें दिसता सर?
ना, म्हाका दिसता गोविंद पयर आशिल्लो, हांव आउट ऑफ स्टेशन आशिल्लो. सो गोविंदान इनॉग्रल प्रोग्राम ऑलरेडी केलो. म्हाका दिसता आज तो आउट ऑफ स्टेशन आसा म्हूण म्हाका कळयलें. नाल्यार पयर आमी दोगूय जाण बरोबर आसपाचे आशिल्ले कार्यक्रमाक, पूण हांव नाशिल्लो. आज तो ना, पूण फुडल्या वर्सा म्हाका दिसता दोगूय जाण बरोबर आसतले आमी. हो परत चिखलोत्सव सगळे समस्त गोंयकार आमदार सरपंच ZP सगळे उलोवं वता की तुमी यात आनी ह्या हातून आमची जी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन कल्चर आसा तातूंत पार्टिसिपेट जायात म्हणून आनी खरें गोंयकारपण कितें तें हांगा पळयात म्हणून सुंदरशें माशेल गांव.
गिरीश सावरकर बँड की सायडी आणि चंद्रशेखर बँड दुसऱ्या सायडी.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.